NPP alone.
The Meghalaya Basin Management Agency today launched the Green Meghalaya Plus Payment for Ecosystem Services during a program. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma attended the program as the chief guest. Speaking on the occasion, Conrad Sangma highlighted various aspects of Green Plus initiative, saying that the project is close to his heart. He further added that the project is beneficial for society as well as the whole nation and the world. The Chief Minister also launched the Green Plus Meghalaya and later on handed over the cheque to the beneficiaries.
So,
this Green Meghalaya program is actually a program which is very close to my heart, and I'm sure many people will feel connected to it. I was very pleased to hear the testimony of some of our friends mentioning that their society, their locality, their clan has already been protecting the forest for 15 years, 20 years, but they did not get any support. And that is precisely what the purpose of this scheme or this program is.
Maudyang village